Hi, this is Vignaraj Gopal. My team ID is 1389793 and my project is Smart Farming using TI, which is an automation of agriculture project. So I like to explain about the business video. So here I have explained the business structures of our project. So first of all, in this diagram we represent the farmers, which is they are the main source of needs, because without food we can't able to survive. So it is a fully automation of agriculture project. So we have a system which has been explained in the technical video content, where it automates the every process of agriculture, whether it is from soil testing to automation of irrigation systems, then plantation crops, everything. All the data are collected individually from every farmland, and it is securely saved in the cloud. So after the saving of data to the cloud, the farmer can able to control their irrigation system from their mobiles. That is, they can able to switch on and off their motors wherever they are in the world, whether it is not within India or outside India. They can able to control their irrigation system all over the world. So it is centrally controlled by a network. So we have a app called Harv, which is on process of creations. So through the app we can able to control our irrigation systems, the automation of agriculture process, and our admins who what are the crops we have so far we have cultivated, which crop is suitable for which soil, and the government policies and the new regulations which has been going on, our own green card which can be owned digitally in our app. So it also connect with some of the experts, like agriculture inspectors or agriculture researchers who wants need, or the farmers who need help from how to cultivate this type of crops, or how to do horticulture business, or where we can able to get their plantation crops. So everything is associated in a single system, which is a cluster of all automations. So first of all, the farmers connected to the app through the cloud server. So, and the cloud server is connected to some of the reputed peoples. We categorize the peoples into four types. One is the peoples of industries experts, or the people who have industries, like basically a food industry, who definitely need some main agriculture raw materials. For example, if we take the jam or a sauce company who needs tomato, which is cultivated by farmers, so they can able to connect through this app directly to the farmers, because there is no intermediate between this app, because it directly connects with the farmers to the industries. We don't have any charges, but there will be some subscription charges. Then the farmers can able to rent their farming equipments, like tractor, or the plowing machines, or the water pumping system, motors, electricity, whatever they need. Their main basic farm equipments can be rented through this portal. That is, we'll be giving this applications to some of the local authorities, or local companies who rental their equipments for the farmers. So they can able to pay through this app itself. We have a payment gateway to PayZamp, so which is in process, because we have made a design and prototypes, but still the coding part is a little bit lagging. Due to this COVID situations, we can't able to work together with my team, so it is somewhat lagging. And we connect this app with the Agriculture Department of India, which is a government of India organization. So from there we get enough informations, like the new way of irrigation system, the new way of cultivation, where the plantation crops can be got from the government for free, where the fertilizers can be used, how much fertilizers we should use, how much pesticides we should use, any new technologies emerging for the farming, and where can we sell the farm products. So everything is available in this government portfolios. So it also holds the green card of every farmers. and then it connects people directly with the farmers. That is, if we want some basic vegetables, if we have any function in our home, or someone needs to conduct some cooking festivals or combos, so we can able to get help from this app by directly connecting with the farmers regarding we want this much of vegetables on this date. We can able to arrange for delivery persons. That is, it will be arranged through the peoples or the farmers. Or if this project succeeds well in the market, we can able to keep a delivery partner through Blue Dot or DHL. So it is a cluster of many things. So it is currently what are the needs, basic needs which a farmer needs, and persons like ordinary persons who need the necessary materials or things from a farmers, which is a basic need for every clients or the customers. In this technical systems, since it is an automation, according to the evolving of world technologies and lots of cluster thing, it is going beyond the technologies, but nothing is improving in the farming equipments. Whether we cannot eat the technologies, but we can able to eat our food, so which is our mainly need for survival in the world. So these systems can able to reduce the manpower in agriculture, because there is a shortage of agriculture persons who are not showing that much interest to farmings. So in the system they can able to test their soil from their phone, and we have 24/7 customer support, and we will be able to start irrigation whenever it is necessary. It also depends automation also, because it is like an automatic AC. Whenever we have enough coldness in our whatever in a car or in our room, automatically the temperature differs. So in this also we have implemented same like systems where it automatically controls the irrigation system. For example, if we cultivate watermelon in the field, watermelon needs more water. So if we set what type of crops, what type of fruits, or doing horticulture, we can set up some time limits where we can able to give some additional information regarding how to operate the systems. So if we keep watermelon every some 4 hours to 5 hours, automatically the motor will be oning and pumping the water to every parts of the field, and it will be automatically off. So everything is controlled in this system. Suppose if a farmer needs since it is a summer season, there is scarcity of water, and what this we should reduce the consumption of water, means the farmers can able to off their motors from their phone. The only need or the only disadvantage of this project is it needs net connections. So I think in India it is a developing country. Every part of the India is connected to internet, so it can be easily accessible to for every farmers to connect their farmland and automate their business and automate their way of agriculture process. So it can be used for every terms of agriculture. That is not only for doing a paddy field or fruit vegetables, or the some different types of sugarcane farming. It can be able to use for horticulture also, or small scale household farming, small scale farming, large scale farming. It does not have any priorities or any specific criteria for doing this machineries. Okay, that's all. This is the final way to automate the business, and let's succeed in our future endeavors of this projects. And thank you for listening to us, and thank you for giving me a chance to explore my knowledge in terms of business terms and technical ways of introducing my ideas to the world market or the Indian market. Let's succeed our Indian projects to worldwide. Jai Hind. Thank you.